everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. I had to think about that while I said that because it's crazy that we're on iPhone 13 already. So here's my bag. I'm going to unbox this now. I'm so excited. I got the what's this? I don't even know what this color is called, to be honest with you, but this is the color that I got, the black one, I guess. I am thinking of getting the Apple Watch when it comes out in like later this fall, is what the Apple event said. So this is really gonna be like raw first impressions, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Why is it just like that? Oh wow, it's so bulky. So there's a phone. It has like a little protector thing. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, so let me show you guys my phone. My phone was the iPhone 8 Plus. She's been through it, guys. Like, let me just show you really quick. She's curved. She's cracked. Very cracked. And look at the difference. So much thicker. Oh my god. I honestly, okay, so I got a phone case for it, right? And I really thought that like, I wasn't going to like the size, because I pre-ordered it. Obviously I don't know how big it is or anything like that, and so I really thought that I wasn't going to like the sizing of it because I'm so used to my 8 Plus and it's so big. But I like the size so far. And here's the Apple sticker. Here is your little thing to take out the SIM, the little pamphlet for your instructions. This is insane. And then here's a charger for it. Wow. I'm gonna have to order like a box for this because I don't have the thing for this. But okay, it's on. But there's no home button. Oh my god, I already knew this, but like, you know, I had the 8 Plus, so like, it's so, oh my god, it's so weird. Where's United States? It feels so weird holding this, like scrolling through it. Oh, this is where I'm from. Okay. Okay, let's just do the quick start. I kind of wanted to like not do the quick start, but it's whatever. There we go. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've never had like the Face ID, which I'm so excited for, because now I can just like look at my phone and it's going to you know, process, turn on. So that's like really, really exciting that I can use Face ID now, because I've never had it. So that's really cool. I'm so excited, guys. And I'm so tired. I went to the store this morning at 10:30 a.m. and it's 11:18 p.m. So I don't want to transfer everything. So hopefully like I'm able to decide to not transfer everything, but she is a beauty. Like, I love it. This is very like bulky though. like, you see how the cameras just like stick out like that? She's just a little bulky. Okay, continue. I'm gonna set up the Face ID. Let me see if I can screen record. Can I? Okay. Oh, okay. This is so cool. I wonder if it's gonna like recognize me even though my hair is not, like, when my natural hair is curly. So is it going to recognize me when I'm gonna do other options because I really don't want to transfer any data other than like my contacts. This is crazy. Also, I went this morning. I picked it up at 10:30 a.m. and it's 11:19 p.m. and I still haven't set it up. So I'm very excited. I've been waiting all day, literally all day to set up my phone. And I'll show you guys the case that I got. It's not the case that I really wanted. I'm not gonna transfer any of that. She's clean slate, guys. Okay. While this loads, I'm going to get my phone case. So I'm gonna set this to the side. So the case that I purchased for it, it was just an OtterBox, and this is the ones that are like made for MagSafe. So I'm just gonna unbox it for you guys. I basically already took it out of the packaging when it came in the mail. I pre-ordered it with the phone and the case came like 2 days before the phone, which is genius because you always want protection on your phone, especially because it is such an expensive phone. But this is the color that I got. I really wanted something that was more fall, but it's fine. Okay, it says welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. This is so cool. All right, let's take our first selfie, guys. Oh my God, look. Okay. Okay. You guys see this? Wow, that's cool. Let's do, let's turn up the brightness and the quality's so good. I do look so pale though. Like, I'm not, like, I look a little bit more tan, like, in the actual thing, and then when I take the picture, I don't look like that. But you can change it. I look so yellow and then it goes to cool. That's so weird. All right, well, this is the unboxing for the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've never filmed a video like this before, so it's very exciting for me, and I'm so happy that I finally got a new phone. So I no longer have to use this one. So yay, it's such a big difference for me, and I'm very, very excited. This is like a huge, huge, huge upgrade.